Hey guys, so in today's video, I am going to share my summer skincare essentials, all of which you can find on Myntra. Step 1 is to cleanse your face. I like to use the Kama Ayurveda Anti-Acne Cleansing Foam. This has neem, tulsi and tea tree. This is great for anyone who has oily, acne-prone skin. It's pretty travel-friendly and one of my essentials for the summer. Next step is to tone your skin. I like to use the Biotique Bio Honey Water. This is a pore tightening toner for all skin types. It's great for the summer, will clean all of the gunk and sebum off of your pores. Use this on a cotton pad and swipe it all over your face. The next step is to moisturize your skin. I like to use the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator, one of my favorite summer moisturizer, super lightweight, gel-like, and gives you 72 hours of hydration. The next step is to use sunscreen. I like to use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. This leaves your skin super soft and smooth, and most importantly, this is waterproof. Sunscreen is so important and totally unskippable for the summers. And last but not the least, sheet masks. I like using the solution range from the Face Shop. This is their soothing face mask. It's one of my favorites. This gives you a very cooling sensation, especially during this hot days, and I love how travel friendly these sheet masks are. So those were my skincare essentials for the summer. Let me know what are your essentials in the comments down below. Make sure you go check out the Myntra app. You can download it on your phone and you can go to the beauty section and check out for all of the products that I have shown here. I'm also going to leave the link for them down below on the description box, so make sure you go check that out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you super soon.